You want to make money online and you want to make it now. Well, how about earn free PayPal money instantly? What's going on everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video I'm gonna share with you how you can start to earn free PayPal money instantly. I'm actually gonna share with you not one, not two, but 4 different opportunities that you can get started right away with. To find out all the details, all you have to do is stay with me, but first, if you're new around, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I upload videos on a consistent basis about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, entrepreneurship and much more. And make sure you also hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright guys, so as I said, I'm gonna share with you 4 different ways here that you can get started to earn free PayPal money instantly. What you need to do is pay attention here, watch the whole video, don't skip on anything because you might miss on any important information regarding these 4 opportunities. And if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, build a sustainable online business, I do have my #1 recommendation right here below that I highly suggest you to have a closer look at when we finish this video, of course. But for now, let's get started to earn some free PayPal money, and we want to do it instantly. Let's get started. Alright guys, so the first opportunity is something I shared in the past, and that is surveytime.io. You can see here I have already logged in here, so basically it doesn't look like this when you arrive to the site, but it is super easy to get started with this site. You just sign in, you fill in your login details and you are ready to go actually. And you are getting surveys, and if you go to the frequently asked questions, you can see here how does it work. So after you sign up to Survey Time, you will answer a few questions to help them create your profile, and then they offer you surveys that fit your interest. Then you can start taking surveys and you earn $1 for each one you complete successfully. Now, the cool thing here is, of course, that you can earn it straight away. Okay, so you can cash out instantly. There are no limits here. So we're talking about PayPal, of course. So you can see here there are different gift cards available for each country, but of course we are interested in PayPal. Okay, so you will get notified, of course, via email. I'm getting actually 1 email per day from Survey Time, more or less here. So this is a great way to get started and to actually cash out straight away. Okay, so this is free PayPal money instantly. Now here are some more questions. If you want to have a look at it, you can have a look at the frequently asked questions. So it takes about 10 to 15 minutes actually to get started with this. Okay, so who can use? Anyone. Survey Time is also available worldwide. Alright, so there you have it. Have a look at the details for yourself, get started. It is super easy and straightforward to make some free PayPal money instantly with surveytime.io. Alright, let's move on to another opportunity, and that is QMe actually. Now QMe.com, you can see here, share your opinions, shop and search to earn real cash rewards. You earn cash, not swag or points here. So you earn when you share your opinions, you're taking surveys on your laptop or mobile, and you earn cash rewards. You earn when you shop, and you can see here, basically this is a very cool feature that QMe has. You earn cash when you search on your favorite sites with a free QMe browser app. So I mean, this is super cool. You earn while you search there. You go about your daily searchings online and you earn cash rewards with QMe results. Simply click on the results that interest you to collect a reward in your piggy bank. Okay, you could see here that actually, if I go here again, with QMe there is no minimum cash out amount, so you can get your earnings at any time. Alright, so that is pretty much explains it, that it is instantly. There is a frequently asked questions. You can see here who or what is QMe. They do explain more or less exactly what we went through here earlier. So how much will I earn? It is really hard to tell because it totally depends, of course, on the offers available at the time that you are going to sign up here. And they do explain here everything on how it works. You can see here taking surveys, the offers, some general information here and how quickly does QME pay out. However you opt to your piggy bank, we do everything in our power to get your earnings. Usually money will appear in your PayPal account within a few minutes of you asking for it. And if you've chosen to cash out your rewards to a gift card, you should receive an email from us within a few minutes too. So that is super fast, that is instantly. Okay, so there you have it, QME.com. Just go there and sign up and get started to earn some free PayPal money instantly. Alright, let's move on to another opportunity, and that is PrizeRebel.com. Now PrizeRebel.com, you can see here, you sign up in 10 seconds, you make money online now. Okay, you complete paid online service, you earn points, and you redeem for cash and gift cards from Visa, Amazon, MasterCard. PayPal, of course, is probably what we are interested in. Okay, so you get paid instantly to your PayPal account, you receive your money instantly after you claim your reward. So basically they are looking for members and survey takers. You have to give your opinion, of course, on market research surveys, and you earn points. You redeem your points for tons of rewards. You can see that this is definitely one of the most popular sites here. They have over 9 million 9 million members here, and they have in cash and rewards redeemed since 2007. So they have been around for over 13 years now. 19 millions is what they have paid out in euros. This is approximately around $20 million. And you can see here in paid online surveys, they do have 504 gift cards. In cash and rewards paid today, 1,066 only today. All right, has seen on a lot of popular sites here. And basically you can see here that if you go to the frequently asked questions, it is a very, very well organized. You can see here that you can earn money with different ways. There are rewards, there are a referral program, surveys, daily points, raffles, promo codes. There is videos that you can watch and earn money with. Tons of opportunities actually to get started with Prize Rebel. All right, so just go to PrizeRebel.com. I'm not going to go into details here. It would take too much time. Save yourself time. Get started to earn free PayPal money instantly right away with PrizeRebel.com. All right, let's move on to the final one here, and that is GetPaid2.com. Pretty similar as the previous site here actually. You can see here you earn money every time you go online. You earn GPT points for simple tasks such as completing surveys, playing games, watching videos, and more. Alright, so you have surveys and you have games, you have quick points, and there is offer walls. A lot of opportunities that you can get started to actually make money online now with GetPaid2.com. So you see here, do tasks, fill in surveys, watch videos, play games, and more. You earn points here. 5,000 points equals $1, and you get rewarded for your time. You redeem your points for cash, cryptocurrencies, or gift cards. Of course, we are probably interested in PayPal money here. So if I scroll down here, you see that there are the surveys, the offer walls, and some quick points. Now, there is a very well organized site here actually. So you can see here, take surveys. We could go into details here, but I leave it to you actually to save yourself time. There isn't much actually to go through. All you have to do is just sign up, take action now, and get started with this site also. So I think I more or less am actually going to leave it here because I think that the most important thing with these sites is actually that you are getting started to sign up straight away. You're taking action, and you're going to make some free PayPal money instantly with these 4 sites I shared with you here today. Now, you might not get rich with these sites here. They are time consuming. They are a great way to earn some free extra money online with. But if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, build a sustainable online business, I do have my #1 recommendation right here below that I highly suggest you to have a closer look at. If you get some value here, make sure to smash that like button below. I really appreciate it. Make sure to subscribe to both my YouTube channels that you see at the end screen here. Make sure you hit the notification bell also so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And you're going to find another Make Money Online video recommendation at my end screen here right now. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.